In this material world, what is the love? I love a pretty girl. Then she gets mangled in an accident. And then what happened to the love? Well, that doesn't happen in the spiritual world. It doesn't happen to Krishna. And even if our bodies get mangled, he still loves us. And even if we get messed up and mixed up in this material world and get distracted from Krishna and our Krishna conscious practices, he still loves us. And even if we think that Krishna isn't loving us properly, or we can't understand why we're put into so many difficulties, a devotee remains fixed, undisturbed in his position of loving God, following the example of Srimati Radharani, who, speaking as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Aslishava padaritam perashtumam adarshanan marmahatam karotu va yata tata vidatatu lampato mat prananatastusva eva napara. Krishna, she's thinking of Krishna. Krishna is the Lord of my life in all circumstances. He may embrace me, I'll be very happy. Or he may kick me down on the ground and crush me under his feet. He may make me broken-hearted by just neglecting me and not having anything to do with me. But whatever he does or says, however he treats me, he is the Lord of my life unconditionally. So that's Akshobhya. How we can be undisturbed in our love for Krishna as he is undisturbed in his love for us.